What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. How are y'all doing? I'm doing good. As I told you guys in my last video, this is gonna be my new natural hair channel, so I'm excited to start creating more and more content for this channel. And on this channel, we're gonna talk about natural hair growth, length retention, and also DIY hair recipes that you can make at home for your hair that have extreme benefits. So I'm really excited. Today is the last day of 2022 and it's about to be 2023 tomorrow. So I wanted to bring in the new year with a new video, of course. So I'm happy about that. I've really been thinking like, which topic should I start with first on this channel? Length retention, the natural hair and its history and what natural hair really is, and all things natural hair. Should I start talking about hair growth first, or should I do some DIY recipes? I don't know, but what I'm actually thinking is I'm gonna start with like what natural hair really is, why natural hair is important, where did natural hair come from, all the things natural hair. I think I'm gonna start with that actual topic, and I'm gonna do some videos about the history of natural hair, and then we'll walk into the hair growth series, and we'll talk about things that help grow your hair, how to maintain the health of natural hair, and we'll do a lot of hair growth videos, and we'll talk about all the terms and stuff, porosity, all the types of we'll talk about all things natural hair in that series. And then for the length retention, we'll talk about how to retain length, protective styling, tools. Like, it's just so much videos that I have to do, and so much that I want to teach you guys, so much that I want to talk about, and so much that I have to do. So I'm gonna get it all together behind the scenes, and I'm gonna make sure I'm dropping the videos consistently throughout this year. So I'm really happy about that. I'm so excited. I wanted to start the year off right, 2023, with a length check, and then on December 30th 2023 we're gonna do a length check, and all of the things that we talk about on this channel, all of the hair growth secrets, y'all are gonna see that they worked, because in December of 2023 my hair will be double what it is. I bet money, I bet y'all money that it will be. So if you're looking to grow your hair, if you just did a big chop, whatever it may be, if you need help getting down the natural hair so that you can wear it more, whatever it is, this is gonna be the channel for you, and I'm telling you that right now. So I'm really excited about that. I'm actually gonna do a length check in this video right now. I'm gonna take down my bun. I just did this bun, and y'all, another thing about me is I have high porosity hair, and my hair is fine, so it's kind of hard to style it sometimes because my hair gets dry so fast and it's so fine, so it's fragile. So that's another thing about me. If you have this hair type, anything I do on this channel will help you, because it took me a long time to get to understand what my hair likes and needs. So we're actually about to do a length check. This is what my hair looks like in the bun. I'm about to take this out so that you guys can see how long my hair is. Also, my hair is bleached right now on the ends, so I've been really trying to take care of that, because once you have bleached hair, you have to take extreme care of it. So sorry for that background noise. People are talking so loud here. This is my hair right now, and it is December 30th 2022. So basically we're gonna count this as January 1st 2023. So this is the length right now. I'm actually gonna do some pulls so you guys can see how long it is, and by the time December 31st roll around next year, we're gonna see how long my hair got over the year. Brush this piece out a little bit. I have my hair in braids, so I put it in a bun after I took down those braids. But this is gonna be a length check. We are right here. This is the end of my hair, the bottom of my bra. Let me turn around so y'all can see it from the back. This is the back. So we're in the mid back. We're almost to waist length here. So I'm hoping to get to like right here. By the time 2023 come, I'm hoping to get to butt length. So I know I'm gonna get there. This is how long my hair is today, December 30th 2022. We're right here. We're almost at waist length. We're trying to get there. And yeah, this is how long our hair is. Let's do one in the front. so we can remember that for next year. We are like right here in the front. And this is my hair texture, you guys. Very much dry. Both of my parents are black, so I know sometimes people think like mixed girls' hair grow faster or better, but no, both of my parents are black, so it took me a long time to get to understand how to grow my specific type of hair, because it struggled to, and it always stayed like right here, the length, and I was like, bro, my hair don't grow. But I figured out everything, and like I told you guys before, I'm going to be showing you guys so much stuff on this natural hair channel, and I'm excited. It's coming, it's coming. 2023 is coming. But yeah, let's fast forward to the future me. So I hope you guys enjoyed that link check. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys follow Danreael's on all of our social media, and my website right now is under construction. I will be selling natural hair care products in 2023, so I'm really excited about that as well. Comment below any video suggestions that you may have, anything you want to know, because I take criticism, and I also need to know like what you guys actually want to see. I know I don't have that many subscribers on here yet, but I will very soon, and I'm very excited. And yeah, I love you guys. God bless y'all. Make sure y'all come back for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye.